I'm in Mumbai for a month trying all the amazing food the city has to offer. In this episode, I'm exploring all of the tasty eats at the very famous Carter Road in Bandra. This is episode 4 of Mumbai Foodventures. Carter Road in Bandra is often described as one of the best streets to try all kinds of food in Mumbai. We're going to go on a bit of a food crawl and try all of the famous spots.
So right now, I'm about to try a chicken shawarma from Carter's Blue. We're picking up one thing from each of these shops, and I'm going to be telling you guys which ones are the best ones to try. All right, we just got our shawarma, and I am ready to eat it. This is really good. It's really tasty.
Is it too much mayonnaise or is it good?
No, it's really good. It's actually very tasty. The meat is really marinated well. I get the hype. It's only 200 rupees too. Gotta try it. Next up is Wow Momos. We've actually been eating this quite a few times, but we just really love the momos here, so we have to get it since it's around. We usually get the Darjeeling one in Szechuan sauce, and that's what we're ordered. Yum. We've had these before. They're fire. Now we're trying kulfi at Shahi Darbar. And the kulfi here is so good. Let me show you what we got here. They broke it up for us in this, and this is actually a sugar-free one.
This is Malai.
Considering this is sugar-free, it is so good.
Okay, next up on our Carter Road food tour is Coulson. We've heard a lot of really good things about this street cart. Let me show you what it looks like. I was not expecting it. It's actually a street cart in the middle, just like that over there. So you can see right there, that's Coulson's there. I think we're thinking garlic fried rice or burnt fried rice and some Szechuan noodles. But this is Coulson's right here. It's a small Chinese street food. Okay, as I'm waiting for my Coulson's, I noticed that everyone here has these fries, and I found out the spot. It's actually right next to Coulson's. So I just ordered some peri cheese fries, and they look so good. It's from the J, so I feel like I've tried this in the past, but we'll see. I mean, everybody on the street has them, so I feel like they're gonna be good. And these are the peri cheese fries.
Fries.
They're actually really good. Peri masala is actually really nice. I said masala because it doesn't taste like just normal peri sauce. Peri powder. The cheese is really good too. Wow. I feel like everything here is so good. So far, everything that we've eaten on this street has been so good. I'm still thinking about that chicken shawarma I had earlier from Carter Blue. That was fire. And the Chinese is now here. Look at that. What was this?
Szechuan Hakka noodles.
Szechuan Hakka noodles look so tasty.
Oh, sorry. You're supposed to say it's Szechuan.
Szechuan.
Szechuan Hakka noodles.
These noodles are so good. Very tasty.
What's the name?
Everything's really good.
Time.
Like, this is worth the hype. This was from Coulson's.
And a lot of the other you order from here.
From Coulson's?
Yeah.
It's really good.
Apparently a lot of celebrities eat here, and I can see why. It's really good. I'm excited for the burnt fried rice now. The burnt garlic fried rice. It's gonna be good.
Milkshake coming.
Really good.
The burnt garlic fried rice just got here. Let me show you. Wow.
Oh, thank you.
And the pistachio milkshake. Look at this. Wow, everything looks so good. And a spiced guava drink.
Spice guava lemonade.
Coulson's definitely lived up to the hype. The food here is just so tasty and so fresh. I can see why so many celebrities love to eat it. I would definitely come back here again. Now, I think I need something a little bit sweet. Now we're at the ice cream factory. The mason jars here look so good, and they're basically filled with ice cream, brownies, and a ton of Nutella. This literally looks like diabetes in a jar.
Wow, look at this Ferrero Rocher jar with Madagascar brownie ice cream. We actually couldn't finish it. It was a little bit too much Nutella for me, and I don't have a big sweet tooth, so I was really surprised, but it was a lot for me. But I will say the gelato ice cream was really good. Gelato was nice. So get that instead of the brownie thing that we got. That was too much. Way too much.
That was our quick food crawl along Carter Road. Literally everything we had was so good, minus that brownie jar, but I'd definitely come back. My top 2 favorites were the chicken shawarma. Seriously, it was so tasty and the perfect amount of sauce. And Coulson's. Both the rice and the noodles were so fire. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next episode where we go to the famous Bene Cafe for the most incredible dosas in Italy.